Okay, greetings once again. It's yet another time for us to continue with our training. Okay, yesterday we talked about a lot as a business personnel, as a marketer, what you need to know, how to present your final product to the final consumer so that you can make the sales. What we are looking for is the complete deal done. That's it. So we talk through and then we get to a point that we are to first start with the business WhatsApp, the WhatsApp business. So, as usual, I'm in the present person of Afolaho Francis Jr., the CEO of Dimfancy Enterprise. Okay, you can reach me on 0540 777 154 0201 524621 or 0246096319. You can send me a mail at defancyenterprise@gmail.com. Afolaho Francis Jr. @gmail.com. Afolaho Francis Jr. @yahoomail.com. Okay, so let's move on. This moment we are going to see how to create the WhatsApp business account and then navigate through the app. There is a road to this app that you go to explore. So let's start. Now, first and foremost, go to Play Store on your mobile app store or your Google Play Store and then download the WhatsApp business. This is how the symbol you see here is how the app would be, the logo would be when you log in into the Google Play Store. Okay, now let's go. So immediately you have downloaded and installed it, you'll see it this way. Okay, is it a simple, secure and reliable way for business to connect with their customers? And then tap agree and continue to accept. Okay, from Facebook, because this app can be linked to your Facebook app or your Facebook account, so that whatever post, even if you are making some sales, you are creating some adverts on Facebook, they can be shown on your WhatsApp, as well as if you are making some adverts on WhatsApp here, you can directly send them to Facebook without even opening the Facebook account to do the same thing there. Okay, so now let's move on. We will first and foremost accept the terms. Okay, we will click on agree and continue. Now it takes you to the verification page. Okay, this is how it looks like. It said WhatsApp will send an SMS. Carrier charges may apply. To verify your phone number, enter your country code and then phone number. Now, as you can see, the first here is the country, okay, that I am in. And then, as you can see, this is the country. So if I'm not in Ghana, I will select the kind of country that I am. But then I'm in Ghana, so Ghana. Now here, immediately you select Ghana, the country code will come itself. Okay, let's go to India. Let's see something. You could see that the country code of India is +91. It will change. Okay, so I will then continue with my number. So let's come back to Ghana. Okay, let's select Ghana. It will change to +233. That's the country code for Ghana. Now I'll click here and then begin to type my number. Now let's look at something very carefully. Simply because the country code has been given +233, I'm no longer going to start with the 0. Okay, if I start with the 0 like this, it's an error. Okay, so I'll just delete the 0 and then I will begin with the number. So the number I'm going to use is 540 777 154. Okay, so now my number here is +233 540 777 154. This is the international way of entering a number. Okay, the international way. If someone is to call me from outside the country Ghana, the person will have to dial my number this way. If the person just go ahead and dial 0540 777 154, it won't come. Okay, unless the person dials +233 540 777 154. Okay, now let's move on. Once the number has been entered like this, I'll just click on next and then it will be connecting. Let's wait. Okay, You entered the phone number +233 540 777 154. Is it okay, or would you like to edit the number? It might be that after entering the number like this, no, it's a fake or incorrect number. Okay, so you can choose to decide to edit or you move on. Now the number is okay. That's my number, so I'll just click on okay. Now let's do something here. You could see there is a verification going on here. Or see, waiting to automatically detect an SMS sent to +233 540 777 154. It's going to send a 6-digit PIN code. This is the PIN code I need to verify my number. Now, this is what scammers have been doing. If they hack your number and they ask you, Charlie, I need a PIN code. That is the PIN code that they are waiting for. Immediately you send that PIN code to them, they will enter and then they have access to your account on their phones. So this is where they used to scam, take access to your contacts, and then will be using your line to hack your friends and co. We have 2 sessions here. The first one is send SMS. It's reading, as you can see, getting down. And then the second one is call me. Okay, WhatsApp will call you directly, and then it will mention the numbers to you. And then you just enter the 6-digit PIN code over here. But with the SMS, it will send the SMS to me. Or if the network is that strong, the phone will directly detect it. That is if the SIM I'm using to register is inside the phone I'm using. Because WhatsApp is just an account. I can just create an account without what? The phone being in the SIM card. The SIM card being in the phone. Okay? I can just create it without the SIM being in the phone. So it will send a message to the other phones, and then I will just enter it and off I go. Okay? The code didn't come. Okay? Okay, let's see something here. It says what? Your WhatsApp, look here. You look here. Your WhatsApp business code is 878414. So I'll come back and then I'll enter this code here. 87. Hey, I've forgotten the code. Let's go back. Okay. It says what? 878415. 78415. Oh no. Now let's look at something. It says what? I entered the code wrongly. Okay, I entered the code what? Wrongly. Let's go again. 878. It's what? 414. 414. Let's look at something. Correct. The code is correct, so it will go through. Now, this is the very point. Okay, this is the point that is needed most, the verification process. After you have input the code that WhatsApp has sent to you, please, if you get the verification like this, do it. Okay, but then if it didn't come at this point, I will show you the point where you do it again. Because as you can see, this code is coming now because my number is protected with 2-step verification. Okay, it's protected with 2-step what? Verification. So as I enter that code, it will do what? Continue, and then I will move on. Okay, so I will move on with the code and then we continue. Now immediately you enter the code, it will open the account for you. Because if you don't have the verification code on the phone, or you have forgotten your verification code, forget about WhatsApp. Your number won't work again. That is if you have already set a verification code on this. So that is why we normally tell you guys that do well to set your 2-step verification codes, so that no hacker, no fools, no idiots, okay, will have access to your WhatsApp and be using it for word remit, chatting your friends, scamming them, duping others, and then people will be thinking that it's you, because You are not the one doing it. Meanwhile, they just have access to you. So be very careful. If someone call you, man, we are in this group and we are making some changes. We are from MTN. We are making some changes. We've sent you a code on Telegram. We've sent you a code on WhatsApp. We've sent you a code. Just blast the person and then hang out. Okay. Immediately you hear the word we've sent a code. Massa, they want to scam you. Be very careful. Be very careful. And please, not every link that you see that you immediately go ahead and then you'll be clicking on it, clicking, simply because you love clicking. Every free. We love Ghanaians, we love free things too much. The moment we see, MTN is doing 30 years anniversary. So what? Does the company belongs to you? Coca-Cola is doing when did you have you even saw on radio or TV that Coca-Cola is doing advert and is doing promotion and is giving out something free? No, it doesn't happen. And the funny thing is, when we see this link starting with http slash double slash column then followed, that is a phishing site. Okay, the moment you see http column slash, don't even try to click on it. Don't even try. The site is not secure. Don't even try unless the one that starts with https. Listen very carefully. https column then double slash. That is a secure site. There you can do anything there. Nobody will have access to your account. Nobody will be able to hack your details or whatsoever. Your details are secure on a site like that. So be very careful. Let's move on. So here the phone is just asking me to find a backup on my Google Drive and then allow WhatsApp access to my contact. Now, I want to move on straight. If I have already used this line for WhatsApp business, okay, so that I can just click on continue and then it will go over and then we'll search through the web and locate all the messages that I have of late used. Okay, let's try, but I'll cut it along the line. So it's looking for WhatsApp backup. Now it will ask me to allow it to contact my account, and let's move on. Okay, if you have previously backed up to Google Drive and want to restore it, give WhatsApp permission to check your Google account for backup. Let's give the permission. You want me to select an account. It's now going to check for accounts on my phone. Please, this takes times. And then if your network is not strong too, you'll find it very difficult. But let's wait. Okay, want me to sign in. Okay, but I just want to skip this size. Okay, I want to skip this. I want to skip it. Okay, so let's skip it. We will do it later. Let's skip it. Okay, so this is immediately you skip that process. It will take you to the create your business profile here. Okay, now let it load for me. Now let's wait. The network is really messing up this morning. But it will go. Still okay. Let me make some changes here. Please, this is not part of the setting up that we are doing. Okay, this is a different thing altogether. I just want to get a speed for my network. Okay, retry. This morning, actually, all networks are down. What is going on? Okay, so the loading has gone through. Now, I said create your business profile. Help customers learn about your business. So here, you first have to enter the business name, as you can see over there, the Fancy Enterprise Ghana. Then the second one is about the business. Okay, what you do. Okay, the categories that your business do. Now, the first one is what not a business, but what you are setting a business profile and say you are saying it's not a business. It's not a business. So what? The second one is automotive services. Those who are into uh, mechanics and those things. Then apparel and clothing. Okay, arts and entertainment, beauty and cosmetics, education, event planner, finance. Here simply means that the select the category of business that you are in. Okay, category of business that you yourself are in. Okay, so you are just selecting the category of business that you are in. Felicia, member, sorry, why? You wish you. Bye. Okay, the category of business that you are in. So, um, as you can see, mine is already there. You can select the numbers that you want. I selected business services entrepreneur and then business consultant. Show more. Now here, you are to enter what you are into. It's a profile of you. Okay, so immediately someone clicks on it, the person will see what you are into. Say, we are experts in t-shirt printing, crest and cloth customizing, banners, flyers, booklets, fashion designing and decor, 3D installation, graphic designing, network marketer, copywriter, a coach, a trainer, biofuel toilet digester plant installation, biogas installation, cameras installation, production of products and those detergents, okay, soaps, washing powders, antiseptics, body creams, and then I do trainings for institutions as well as I'm doing now, and everything about me. Now, here is the location. Okay, you have to enter the name of the town or the city that you are. Okay, then you move on to next. Now, I'll say your business name doesn't follow our naming guidelines. This may prevent your account from being listed as an official business account. Don't mind them. Just continue. Also, do you still want to use? Yes, I still want to use them. It's my business name. There is no need. I'll change it. Okay, update uh, address. Okay, just update it and then you move on. Now we are getting close to a point. So we'll wait for it to load again. Actually, this morning network is really down. All the networks, Ghanaians and fooling. MTN is misbehaving and Vodafone too is misbehaving. Just let's wait. Okay. Now, immediately the initialization has been completed, it will take you to the catalog page. This is your store site, your shop, okay, where you can place adverts and others will see, or you share the adverts with others, how to you can connect this advert to your Facebook profile and all that. So it says what? Create a catalog. Set up your WhatsApp mobile storefront. Okay, as I said earlier on, this is your store. Okay, offer better browsing. Show what you are selling right on WhatsApp. Share your offering. Send your items and or entire catalog in chat. Get started fast. It's just a few steps and save space on your phone. Okay. At times you'll be in a group and then people selling in relation to images will be sending images. At times it's boring. Okay. But then you can just do what? Set this catalog and then it takes 9 pictures at a row. Okay. A simple catalog takes 9 pictures at a row. You can add the prices of the items that you are selling to it, the details, everything, and even a link that the person will just click on it and then you get in touch with you. I'm not going to set this. We will still have an option to set it later, so I'll just continue for now. I just want to finish fast with the account creation. Okay. Now let's look at something here. If you check first, I talk about the two-step verification. Okay. I talked about two-step verification. Now the phone is still asking me to enter the two-step verification. Else, I can't enter here. So that is it. That is the importance of two-step verification. If it's in your phone, even let's take it to be that after I have opened this code and I've used the phone for close to 4 or 5 days, it will still ask me. Okay, I have to enter again. Another 3, 4, 5 days, it will ask me. Another 3, 4, 5 days, it will ask me. It have a specific number, even though I haven't checked actually. But once you reach that limit, it will ask you of the verification code. Okay, so for me to continue, I have to enter the verification code. Okay, so I'm going to enter the verification code, then we continue. Okay, so immediately the verification code has been entered, it will open it for me. Now, you will see this on my account simply because this my number was already registered on WhatsApp. Okay, so all the pages that I was in before this settings, okay, will come back. Okay, but if I have done backup, okay, I had done backup on this line, it will do what? It will restore all my messages back to me, but I just go straight away and then I didn't do any backup, so I won't have it down now. I won't have the installation now. Now this is what happened. WhatsApp does automatic backup at 2 a.m. at dawn. So if your data is on by that time, WhatsApp will do the backup for you automatically. Okay, it will do the backup for you. Okay, let me close this. We will still have access to it. Okay, so now my account is set. My WhatsApp is ready. But we have to explore it. So we are going to click on the 3 dots at the top here. Then we come back to, okay, let's look at business tools. Now the business tools, the profile is what we first set. Okay, so here, if I have not set it completely before, I have to enter my working hours, my email address and all that. Okay, what you see down here is catalogs, the front store. Okay, we will create some so you'll get to know it. Okay, this is what I first set up. Okay, so Then here is the catalogs itself. Okay, I can decide to add a new one here. Okay, I can decide to add a new one here. So I'm going to talk about that later, so I won't include the catalog here now. Okay, now this is the away message. Now WhatsApp business is programmed in such a way that if a person chats you within 14 days, and that is the first time the person is sending you a message, within 2 weeks, if you have this away message saved, okay, you have to enable it. And then here is the away message. You said what? Thank you for your message. We are unavailable right now, but would respond as soon as possible. Okay, so I have to save it. Okay, changes have been saved. And then, so if you send me a message to this number within 14 days, and then my phone is on, my WhatsApp is on, WhatsApp will automatically send you that away message that I'm not available at the moment, but I'll respond to you because I will see it and the message will come to you. Now, let's go to the next one, which is the welcome message. Okay, there's it. So see, greet customers when they message you for the first time or after 14 days of no activity. That is, after 14 days of them not having any contact with you, after 14 days of you not having any chat or anything of that sort with them. Okay, you have to enable it. Okay, this is the automatic one. Okay, WhatsApp will set it directly using your name, but you can edit it and then enter your own here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm coming to edit this and then I'll enter my own here. Okay, yeah, you discard. Let's go back. I want to copy something here. I want you to set, okay, I want to show you how. Okay, I'm going to paste this there. Copy, cancel, come back. I've copied it to my clipboard. Okay, so I'm coming here and then open, come. Okay. Okay. Thank you for contacting the Fancy Enterprise Ghana. We are experts in this, that. Look, okay, let me come here. I want to get more. It has a specific number, okay, that you need not to exceed that. Okay, so I'm doing what I can do best. Okay, as you can see, so now I've set it. Okay, so and then okay, so there's it. So immediately I save it, and then you send me a message for the first 14 days. This 2 message will directly come to you. Now let's look at something here. Send to the recipients. You see, everyone who received your greeting message, everyone not in my address book, everyone except or only send me now. So I will want it to go to every other person. So everyone. Then I click on save. Then I come back. Now, quick replies. Now let's look at something here. Thank you for your business. We look forward to working with you. I can set this up and it will be on so that if I have any deal with you and there have been some payments, I'll just click on it. No longer need to type it, and then it will be replied quickly. This is about labels. Okay, if let's say you chat me as a new customer, I can just add your contact here. I can just select your contact and add you as a new customer. New order. Let's say you have placed an order, you want something. I can just add your order here. Okay, I can choose a label or whatsoever, and then I'll add your number here. Pending payment, if you need to make some payments for me, if you have paid it, and those things. Okay, that's it. Those are the labels. Now, the short link. WhatsApp Business comes with a link by itself. Okay, WhatsApp Business comes by its own link, even though we will learn about how to create a link. Okay, but WhatsApp Business has its own link. So as you can see, with this my number, this is my link over there. I can choose to copy and share. If I type it, I'll copy. It has been copied, as you can see here. Okay, so I can customize this link so that immediately someone clicks on it, it will send me that message. Okay, so let's look at something here. I said what? Hello, I'm interested in one of your services. I can decide to type whatever that I want. Okay, let's look at this. Good day, boss. I would like to talk business. Chat back. Let's add emoji, some emoji, smiles. Okay. Okay, so that's it. And then, so immediately someone clicks on this link. What I just typed there, good day, boss. I would like to talk business. Chat back will send to me directly. So I will see that this person wants me to talk business with him or her. And then I will do what? I will chat the person back. I can reset the link. Okay, now let's go back. Here is where we connect our Facebook and then Instagram accounts. Okay, this is where we integrate the Facebook, Instagram accounts with my WhatsApp. Okay, with my WhatsApp. So here, the Facebook, it will also continue to log in into your Facebook and set your WhatsApp as a business. It will set your WhatsApp as your page button. Okay, so even I already have this set up, so it's just a matter of integration. Okay, so I don't want you to go to Facebook. Come back. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we almost done over there. Now the last part that I want to talk about is the two-step verification. Okay, two-step verification. Now, as you can see, what we just did first is the profile, the catalog, and the business settings. Now let's go to account, privacy. Now, who can see my personal info? If you don't share your last SIN, you won't be able to see other people's last SIN. If I close my last SIN, you won't see whether I'm online or I'm offline. Okay, so mine is set to everyone. My profile picture, who sees it? I can restrict others. Who sees it? Everyone sees it. About me, the details, and that we are experts and so and so on. Who sees it? Everyone. My status. Who sees my status? Okay, my status, my contacts except only share. No, I want all those who have my contacts on their phone to see my status. Now groups, let's look at something in groups. Now here, who can add me to a WhatsApp group? At times you'll be there, scammers will just pick your number and then they'll be doing all sorts of things. Okay, so I'll just select accept what? Excluded. So I can decide to select whomever I want. I can exclude all these people so that nobody will be able to send me a message. Nobody on my contact list can add me to his or her WhatsApp group without my knowledge. You can't. Okay, you can't add me. And it will send me a link and then I'll add myself. Okay. Because at times people will just be creating useless groups and then they'll be adding you haphazardly. I don't need it. Okay. If you try to add me, a link will be sent to me. If I would love to join myself, I will do. If I don't, I don't. So that's it. Okay. So let's move on. Live location, I can do that later. Previous fingerprints, I can do that too later. Okay, let's go back. Now here, okay, but then let's come to security. Security. WhatsApp secures your conversation with end-to-end encryption. This means your messages, calls, and status updates stay between you and the people you choose. Not even WhatsApp can read or listen to them. So let's put it on. Okay, then let's go back. The two-step verification. Okay. Initially, I have this set up on my phone. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you the setup. Here, it's the first one that like you will see here is enable. Okay, once you click on enable, it will save it, and then it will come here for you to enter a 6-digit PIN code. Okay, you just enter a 6-digit PIN code. Okay, and then it will take you to the next. The next will be the email. It will ask you of a verification email. Once you enter the email here, it will continue and then you are done. Then once it's set like this, you see that it has been marked for you with the 3 stars. Okay, so that is with the 3-step verification. Be very careful. Write that code somewhere, because if you fail to remember that code, that your WhatsApp number is inactive for life. Okay. So that is it for now. Now, the next thing that I would love to talk about in here is storage. At times, people will just be sending messages. It's really boring with photos, and your phone will just be downloading them and you won't even notice. Okay, you go to your gallery and you see 10,000 gallery images and those things. Meanwhile, you didn't download it. WhatsApp has downloaded it automatically. So let's look at something here. Media auto download. Let's go here. I don't want anything. I don't want WhatsApp to download anything on my phone. Close everything. No media. That is if I'm using what? Mobile data. Nothing. Don't download anything for me. Now, if I'm using a Wi-Fi too, don't download anything. I don't need it. I don't want any problem. When I'm roaming, nothing. Don't download anything. So here, I can be in 20,000 WhatsApp groups. You will send 2,000 or 2 billion images, videos, audios, whatsoever. None of them will be downloaded automatically onto my phone, unless I click on it to download it myself. Okay, so that is it for now with the settings. Thank you so much. The name still remains Afoleho Francis Jr., The Fancy Enterprise. As always, you can reach me on 0540 777 154 0201 524621 0246 096319. All the numbers are WhatsApp contacts. You can reach me on them. Okay, on Facebook, the name Afoleho Francis Jr., the page Afoleho Francis Jr., the page The Fancy Group, a lot. Okay. You get to know more. Okay, thank you all. This is for the setting out. We are left with more to do here, but as we move on with the class, we will get to know more. Thank you all.